Folks, I bought a piece of pork ribs and wash it up. Let's really take the piece of skin that was on the bottom here. I wash it off with some distilled vinegar.
Distilled white vinegar.
And then now, we're going to do a piece of that chicken too.
I don't eat pork.
Yeah.
I don't eat pork.
I mean you don't eat pork, you eat ham.
And bacon.
And bacon.
But
so what's the big deal?
That's the only pork I eat.
Don't understand them people.
And I don't even eat a lot of those. Ham nor bacon, right?
Don't understand them at all. Okay.
I don't normally pick a specific day in which to sweep and mop. I just sweep and mop when the place looks like it needs it. So because I'm supposed to be resting after taking the jab, Joe is the one that's cooking. Okay. That is cayenne, baby. I just filled it. So he's doing some pork ribs. We have this bread here still. I wanted him to taste it. Joe, you want to taste the bread? Yeah. In the last video I tasted it, but I didn't hate it, but it wasn't my fave. Can you taste a piece for this video for me, baby?
It wasn't your forte.
Oh my God. That's forte means strength. Huh.
I know.
Just bite, because I know you just touched it. Oh, the hand clean? Okay.
That one might taste. No taste.
Right? Oh. It's just salt, right?
Yeah.
And the person I saw that did the video, they act like it was so good. I was like, girl, you can't cook. I'm not calling no names. So Joe's gonna make half this chicken, I guess. Or he just cut it in half because it had ice in the belly still. Even though he left it out all night last night.
No more garlic powder?
Did you find any? Okay. You want to load the bottle for me when you're... After you're done using it, babe? Load the bottle for me when you're done using it. So the wind started to blow again. So the dog got crazy.
What do you want for Christmas? What do you want for Christmas?
Do you have a list?
So it's not updated.
I'll let him update it today. You see my updated list?
Don't look at anything I buy on Amazon, maybe today or tomorrow. I saw your list.
Say hello to my people.
Hello, peoples.
You sound like Daddy.
I know. I heard it.
I want a 2024 GMC.
Oh my God, something realistic, Daddy, realistic.
Get him a matchback one. You know how to do it.
I could.
Yeah?
Hey.
You know, we're trifling up in here.
They want a sunroof. They want everything. I like this sucker. We're going to light it up. And then we're going to make it shut. Gotta soak it down real good. Soak it down, folks. Okay, let's see what we got. Looks like that baby up. Okay. There we go. I got chicken. I got some pork ribs. It's almost devoured by now.
I have vegetables, you know. I have a garden salad.
Like that, you know.
he will not eat it.
It's in the way.
He will not eat it. No, he likes salad and stuff. He just doesn't like to serve it for himself. He don't like to make it or serve it. I already made it, boo.
Like rice. Barbecue.
Guys, forgive me if I'm shaking, but I am so cold because I took the shingles vaccine and it's kicking me. All right, let me grab some food, Joe.
Okay. It's about 9:30. I'm over here at Costco. I like to come early, but Costco don't open until 10. But I come and put some gas in, and if you could see over there by the gas station, there's no lot of cars. That's why I like to come early. If you come in the next, say, 2 hours, is a line from here to the end of the street. If you come in the next 2 hours, a line from the street until you get into the gas station. So that's why I like to come early. So I'm gonna sit here until the next half an hour, and then I'm going into Costco. See you guys when I get in there. Well, I finished paid, now I'm gonna leave. I'm leaving. Let's get out of here. See how anybody. That's why it's good to come early. Not today, man. Let's get out of here.
Recording us?
Huh?
You recording us?
Yeah.
Why?
I record everything that I buy and stuff.
Oh, so you're recording right now?
Just a food.
Yeah.
Show everything that I buy and something, and put it on YouTube and get paid.
Oh, nice.
Okay, going home. Morning.
No problem, huh?
Think of it, man. Die down a little bit. Alright, bud. Pretty good.
I was editing your video right now, but that whole scene in Costco recorded in fast speed and no sound. What did you do to your camera?
Yeah, do the camera.
And it was a good scene in Costco too. You zoom in through there. I wish I had music to play so I could leave a lot of it in so they could see. But then when you were leaving, that girl, what's her name? Jamie? The one on the left side of the door? She seemed kind of annoyed. At first she goes, "You recording us? You recording us?" It's like, you didn't even see her. So I could leave that part in. And then that guy was like, "Oh, you GoProing." Every time they see that GoPro, people be tripping, babe. I mean, this is your first one. I don't think it's ugly. You guys look what Joe made. He's trying to make a coffee table that's kind of like a puzzle. But he said what happened to it? What's wrong with
The
it?
saw don't cut good, man.
Because the saw doesn't cut good?
See, none have a name.
Cora, are you still crazy? You want to come for your food?
How my baby feeling?
A lot better. The arm still feels stiff, of course, but
Can I hit it?
No, that's to be expected because it's a shot, right?
Right.
But the headache is gone. The one that I had over my eye, it's pretty much gone. Just a little remnants of it, but it's the tired. I get off the couch, I stand up, and I still think I'm sitting.
Need to take a shower and go to bed.
I know. I'm done for the night too. I'm done. So that was some really good shots in Costco, but unfortunately, your camera started to record in fast motion without sound.
I don't know how that happened. I got to get used to my camera better than that.
And you were shopping, boy. You talk to the camera, no hell. I'm like, what the? What?
But it was it was recording, but no sound.
Did it look like it was moving fast when you looked at it? Look normal?
No, normal.
Well, we're gonna have to YouTube that and see what happens when the GoPro goes into that fast motion and no sound, and how to fix it.
But earlier when I stopped when I was parked at Costco, some stuff coming up when I was. But I don't know what's that. So
it worked good when you were parked. When you were talking, that was fine. You want to see it?
It was good.
In the car, it was fine. See? See? What did you do? Hi, boo.
Hello. You were doing
See?
Oh, why are you so daddy?
Did you see?
What the hell is that?
Now you talking up a storm. You guys, I don't know what to tell him because I don't understand the GoPro.
How you could stop?
I don't know.
There gotta be a way to stop it and put it down.
He wants me to fix things in post.
They come right back now?
Yeah, then he started to play normal again when you talk to the girl at the door.
I don't know.
We're gonna Google it. We're gonna YouTube it and see what happened.
I gotta learn my camera, folks, because that is embarrassing.
Other than that, though, you've been doing an excellent job with going out and getting footage. I've been stuck in the house since yesterday. Oh Lord, I gotta get better so I could go out again.
You're getting better.
All right, wrap your show up, baby.
Folks, thank you guys for putting up with me. Thank you guys for subscribing, share, and like. Thank you guys.
And comment. They're commenting.
And
you
comment.
gotta go talk to the people.
And comment, folks, because without you guys, I can't do it.
It's true.
I need you guys. Okay.
Every creator needs viewers.
We do. Don't care how big you big, and you see all these big guys that have so much subscribers and all that. If you the people don't do it, then they can't have it.
It's true.
Yeah. So we need each other. In fact, I need you. I need you more than how you need me.
That's true.
It's true.
I had to think about that. That's true.
So, folks, thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Vlogmas Day 5.